HMD is gearing up for the launch of its own branded smartphones in India and other global markets. There are two smartphones in the lineup, namely HMD Pulse and Pulse Pro. Renders show 91 mobiles with on leaks. HMD Pulse will be available in blue, black and pink as can be seen in the renders. The design is close to previous Nokia branded entries. Look at the Nokia C32. HMD Pulse Pro offers a textured finish for better grip. The HMD Pulse Pro will boast a 6.56-inch IPS 90Hz display and slender bezels. It will be powered by the Unisoc T606 chipset with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and will run Android 14. The HMD Pulse Pro is featuring a dual rear camera setup, 50MP main camera and a 2MP depth sensor and a 50MP front camera. The upcoming Pulse Pro is tipped to feature a 5000 mAh battery. Other features might include an IP52 rating and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The phone might weigh around 196 grams. HMD is expected to launch the Pulse Pro phone in the coming weeks. The upcoming smartphone will likely be priced at approximately 15,900 rupees, price that comes in at €179 or around $190. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.